Hi, welcome to this video on how to create multiple websites in WordPress on Hostinger. First, go to the Hostinger's website and log in to your account. Once logged in, you will be on this Ace panel. This is Hostinger control panel where you can manage everything from website to domain and databases. In the Ace panel, go to the website tab and look for the add website button. Click on it. Here you can see a few things. First one is WordPress. If you want to install WordPress and create your website with WordPress, then you have to click on it. Now they will ask you for some information. Write your email and a strong password and click the next button. You can select your website category. They will suggest some themes and plugins related to your category. But I am clicking on this create blank site to skip it. Here you have to enter your domain name for your new website. You can either use a domain you already own or register a new one. I am giving mine which I already have purchased. I am writing a subdomain name that will automatically create a subdomain under my main domain. I am using a subdomain because I already hosted a website under my main domain. Now click on this next button. You can see WordPress is now installing, and it will take a few minutes to complete the full installation process. After completing it, you will be land on the Hostinger dashboard. As you can see, we successfully created our website with WordPress. Now you can see your website by clicking on this link, and you can access the WordPress admin panel by clicking this admin panel button. It will redirect you to the WordPress admin panel. Now, if you want to add more websites, just repeat the same process and either install WordPress or use to create your website. Hostinger makes it simple to manage multiple websites under one hosting account. You can see all of your created website on this website tab, and also you can manage your website from here. So that's how to create multiple websites in WordPress on Hostinger. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.